So now we're going to look at the context of the two chords that we've primarily been using, which is C and A minor. And if you're struggling with those, go ahead and go back to the chord review video where you can watch the hands shift. But what we did today is we learned we're going to use our scale in C major. We pick a few notes out of that that'll actually go along with our chords. So for example, in the key of C, we're going to focus on the B string here. So right now we have our first finger on the C, which is the first fret of the B string. We can also take that off now, open up our B. Now we have that, and then we can take our pinky and put it on the third fret, which is the D on the B string in the context of our chord, and play that. So we have first finger on, first finger off, pinky on third fret, back to the initial C. And then we can switch to A minor by moving one finger, and we do the exact same thing regarding the first finger in the B string. 1, open, 3, 1, so. Now in the context of strumming, we could do it like this. A minor. And in context of finger picking, the pattern that we already know is going to be your thumb 1, 2, 3. So because our root notes are both on the A string, open A, and also C, our thumb is going to be on the A string and then 3, 2, and 1 like we already learned. And we're going to do thumb 1, 2, 3, first finger off, thumb 1, 2, 3, pinky on 3, and back to 1. Switch to A minor and do the same thing. And we'll have some more strumming patterns coming down the line that we can add to that. So there you go. But the whole premise here, like we talked about the C major scale and we drew it up on the board today in first position, we can kind of see, once we get used to this, we can kind of envision the chords, because these are all notes within our C major scale. And when we can do that, we can also kind of visualize the notes that fit around them. So we're going to learn a lot more in the coming days in regards to that and how we can kind of do something a little more interesting and dynamic than just your standard strumming pattern. So there you go.